Welcome to this week's episode of Running in Circles. I'm going to do my warm up with you. And I thought I would share a little something. I've been reading this book that has me taking copious notes, and it's really been really good. It's called Time Shifting, which I'm all about. And it's written by, I'm going to say his name totally wrong, I'm sure, Dr. Stephen Retschaffen. And he's talking about a little bit about a time in his life when he basically went through trauma, emotional trauma. And he said, rather than slowing down to feel the pain of loss and resolving those difficult feelings, I had plunged forward with a new project just to keep myself fully occupied. I was forcing myself to race past the pain. And I could relate to that a little bit. And maybe you can too. When we have something big to deal with that may be hard to deal with, we can get ourselves super busy instead of just sitting with it, feeling it, processing it. And so, yeah, I could totally relate to that. In fact, he said that we become human doings instead of human beings. Yeah, so I've been thinking a lot about that. And it had me pausing this weekend, sitting with a few feelings, a few emotions, and it was really, really good for me to slow down, to chill, to feel, and instead of racing from one thing to the next, which is really easy to do these days. There's always so many distractions. So it's kind of a super pretty thing. I do talk about it in the book about sitting without distraction, giving yourself time and space to feel, to be inspired, to be creative, all the things. So, yeah, I did it this weekend. It was so nice. We have a lanai where it faces this wonderful palm tree, and it just always is a reminder. I remember going on vacation and sitting under a palm tree and just thinking, I wish I could see that every day in my life. Well, I do now, and I just love it. And let me not forget to look at it. It also reminds me, like on this little loop that I do, my circle, there are some fantastic bushes of jasmine flowers, and I always make myself stop to smell it. It's weird, not sure why. I have to ask someone who knows or Google it. Sometimes they smell and sometimes they don't, which is really weird. Sometimes they smell delicious, and it's just such a reward to stop and smell it. Sometimes they don't, though, which is weird, which could make you think, oh, I'm never going to stop and smell these things again because they just don't smell. I wonder if it depends on the time of day, temperature, humidity, I don't know. But it can be so rewarding to slow down, to stop, to smell the roses, the jasmine, the peonies, the lavender, whatever's in your path. Now, these flowers, I don't know if they smell them. I doubt it. No smell. Now I know. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, and just a reminder to slow down, smell the flower, sit down and feel the feels. And the book basically is, you can create time by just sitting still, which is that was my goal this weekend. And I dare say I was very successful. And I got some feelings processed in the process. I hope you have a fantastic week. And let's see, is there anything going on? I did my first book club on Friday, and it was so much fun. It is posted inside of the Nest Pretty private Facebook group, so you can hop in there and watch it if you like. Yeah, that's it. I hope you have a great week, a great day, and we'll talk soon.